Hi guys! Kumusta po kayo? Alam niyo, whole day akong nag-isip kung anong itatopic ko today. And this morning, it's just crossed my mind na pwede ko po kayong dalhin dun sa malapit na chicken farm. Isa po yun sa pinakamalaking chicken farm dito sa lugar namin. Doon din po kami bumibili ng itlog. So, keep watching guys, and I'm gonna show you how we grow our own chicken here at home. Konti lang po sila, pero it's better na may mapaglibangan tayo guys. At the same time, kumita in few months. It's lockdown guys, so kailangan may gawin tayo something na hindi tayo mabubore sa bahay. So, see you! Hi guys!
Hi guys! Today
Hi.
we're gonna go to the chicken farm.
Yeah, today we're gonna show you
The chickens at the farm there at the end.
one of the biggest chicken farm here in our place.
Sure.
So, keep watching guys. Babu! Hi, say hi.
He's very naughty. Let's go see. Here he is. He's so shy at the video.
Hi guys. We're on our way to the chicken farm. Kasama ko po yung mga bata. So, keep watching po. Bye. Oh, Babu, go. Go to the chicken farm. He said Chanel. Bulday na. Not talking. Didi. Hajur. Guys, we're here na. Chicken farm. Yan guys, oh. Laki. Ang dami niyan guys sa loob. Meron pa dun. Meron pa dun guys sa isang kulungan. Nano daw? Babu! Babu! Dai, Kati and produce egg then one day. 12 crate. Okay. So, kidinik hana.
Dana.
Dana ni pani matre.
Dana pani. One day dana 55 kg.
One day dana 55 kg. Yeah. You supply
Total I have 550 something.
total chicken is 550.
Something.
Wow. Teray day. And you also have other chicken, right? Local chicken. There, what chicken is that, day?
150.
150. That's all local chicken.
Yes.
Mahir try.
Okay.
Thank you, Dai. Guys, this one, guys, mga local chicken. Mas mahal to guys pag binenta ng per kilo or binenta ng whole. Yan guys, so 550 chicken and Yan guys. Ang dami. 550 chicken inside, guys. Ayan, guys. Guys, binibigyan nila ng palay at tubig yung mga manok 3 times a day, guys. 3 times a day. Yun, guys. Dami na. Uy! Daming lamok. Babu? Guys, dito humihinto ang school bus ni Sanel. May pasok siya. And may daanan dito papuntang taas.
Hey, look!
What is side? What is it? Oh, motorcycle is coming. Oh, stay there. Be careful. No swimming, only playing. Guys, ito yung kulungan ng manok namin. Temporary, guys, kasi hindi pa tapos yung proper na kulungan nila. Mamayang hapon naman ilalabas namin sila. Bigas at tubig ang binibigay namin, guys. Guys, ito yung manok na ginugrow namin ngayon. Tawag dito is Kadaknat. They originated from India. Yun, guys, oh. Puro maiitim. Yung meat daw nito, guys, is good for yung mga may sakit na uric acid. So, meaning nakaka-heal yung meat niya. Meat niya is black daw yung kulay. Hindi ko pa rin natatry, guys. Yung bili namin nito, 200 each. After 6 months, you can sell it from minimum 2,000 rupees. Maximum, guys, pag lalaki, 5,000 rupees. After 6 months, guys. So, imagine, from 200 rupees, magiging 2,000 to 5,000 siya. Pag binenta mo, pinagkakain. Guys, wala na kaming bigas. Papagiling kami today. Isang sako to, guys, na palay. Magiging half. May natutunan or nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to because I enjoyed a lot. And actually, the chicken farm business or hanap buhay, guys, I think would really work here in Nepal because most of the people here, they don't eat baboy or beef. They only eat chicken and mutton meat and eggs. So it's a really good business here. And hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good night. Bye.